China hosted CIFTIS 2021, a services trade fair featuring, among other things, robots, high-tech solutions for Chinese medicine, and robot cars. See the fullest report on the China Robot Expo, as well as other high-tech news for the week. Let's go! The high-tech and traditional Chinese medicine sector showcased a 5G ultrasound device that allows remote diagnosis and treatment. A robot with touch and sludge sensors can perform ultrasounds as well as a human, comprehensively examining any area on the body. The Chinese neurosurgical robot Remy was also presented at the exhibition. The device consisted of 3 parts: a computer, the brain, machine vision as the eyes, and a robotic arm. Thanks to the mobility of the humanoid and automatic positioning with millimeter accuracy, it can perform precise and minimally invasive neurosurgeries. In fact, it can also support remote surgery via 5G workstations, and at the show, the robot performed a simulated surgery. But the most interesting device was the TCM4 Smart Screen. It's a diagnostic device based on the knowledge of ancient traditional Chinese medicine and big data, cloud computing, artificial intelligence, and other high tech. Based on a single image of language, the device can complete a health assessment within just 2 minutes and provide an accurate health assessment overall. It can also give individualized treatment and disease prevention programs. This is exactly the kind of device installed on the Chinese space station to maintain the health of the astronauts on board. A robot for automatic nucleic acid detection sampling for disease testing was also on display. The station is fully autonomous and does not need human supervision or assistance. Traditionally, in the past at the event there was a robot coffee maker which brewed coffee for all the comers, no worse than a professional barista these days. But the concept of an intelligent robot called Robotic Coffee Master was created by Cheetah Mobile, a division of the Chinese company Orion Star, which also produces robotic manipulators. The Robotic Coffee Master has a retail price of about $50,000, and so far, the company has sold 200 units. So relax, North American baristas, as of now, they're only focused on the Asian market. The complex machine was completed via a simpler robotic kiosk with a manipulator installed at the China Construction Bank's booth. A large section of the exhibition was devoted to the digital yuan supported by the Central Bank of China. The Bank of China brought a machine to convert foreign currency into digital yuan transport cards, as well as vending machines and coffee machines that support digital yuan and electric wallets with yuan in various forms. People can use their ID cards or passport to convert 17 major foreign currencies into digital yuan in an ATM-like device without having to register for a bank card. This according to bank officials. Users simply need to insert the banknote, enter their ID card or passport information, and go through facial recognition. The foreign currency will then be exchanged at the current exchange rate and stored in a digital wallet. The wallet, which looks much like a credit card, has a display window in the upper right corner and can display the remaining value and amount after each transaction the user makes. This kind of technology was designed with ease of perception for the elderly in mind. One of the industrial robots on trade fair, a bot for cleaning ships from rust, was presented. The autonomous device uses 3 magnets to firmly attach itself to the surface of the ship and consistently goes through and cleans the entire hull, saving dozens of hours of human labor. There was also service robots at CIFTIS, such as the robot Xiaorong, at the booth of ICBC, the Industrial and Commercial Bank of China. The robot knows how to communicate with visitors and provide them with basic information about the bank services. And China Everbright Bank presented its service robot in the form of a panda. The functions are the same, but the body is cuter. The construction company Glodon decided to keep up with these trends and presented a robot dog for inspection of construction sites and detection of dangerous gases. Using cameras, artificial intelligence, and big data, this robot can detect anything that goes wrong on a construction site. The robot is hardly the company's own development, rather an adaptation of Deep Robotics' Yo-Yang robot. Glodon has introduced digital solutions for construction projects, including cost estimating, intelligent facility management, and intelligent construction. Moving on, in the Digital Services Trade Pavilion at CIFTIS 2021, you could watch an office planner robot place stamps and shift paperwork around. The robot manipulator was presented at the booth of Deloitte, a global provider of audit, tax, and consulting services. The smart and nimble robot Yumi from ABB was smartly sorting garbage on the conveyor belt, recognizing and separating recyclable waste in the process. Also at this year's exhibition was Baidu Apollo, an unmanned smart car which was presented in China just recently. Baidu representatives call the car a real robot, stating that it's fully autonomous. It's worth noting that as of the first half of 2021, the autonomous cab service Baidu Apollo has served a total of more than 400,000 passengers, total miles exceeding 14 million kilometers, and the number of autonomous driving patents was more than 2,900. From the autonomous logistics robots, we could see the drone of the Chinese company JD.com. In line with the trends, an augmented reality helmet for designing architectural objects was also presented at the exhibition. The technology projects an AR image that the user works with onto a screen, allowing those around him to see in real time all the manipulations of the architect or builder. The device is designed, among other things, to help organizations conduct interviews and hire new professionals. And for the entertainment of visitors at CIFTIS, there was a robotic arm, beating everyone who tried in rock, paper, scissors. But as you can see, I think she's cheating, giving her guess just a half second later than her live opponent. Immediately after CIFTIS 2021, the largest robotics event in the world, the World Robot Conference began in China. We will have a separate episode about this massive robot exhibition coming soon, so don't miss it, and just to make sure, subscribe while you're here. And now, let us move on to the key news from the world of high-tech. The first of them was a robot horse developed by the Chinese electric vehicle manufacturer XPeng. XPeng Robot Unicorn is a four-legged robot for children, or, as in some experts and online users have suggested, a bad joke. It's claimed that the robot horse will be built with the company's expertise in autonomous driving and other artificial intelligence features that will help the unicorn navigate around different places, recognize objects and obstacles, and provide emotional interaction with the users. The robot should be able to recognize voice and faces. Other details have not yet been disclosed. Do you think this robot can walk around and carry children safely? Let us know in the comments. The second big news of the week was the $299 smart glasses from Facebook and Ray-Ban. Ray-Ban Stories feature two front-facing 5-megapixel cameras to shoot videos and take photos, which you can immediately edit in the Facebook viewing app. There's enough memory for just over 3 dozen 30-second video clips, or about 500 photos. There's a physical button on the glasses to record, or you can say, "Hey Facebook, make a video." The speakers on either side of the case can play audio from your phone via Bluetooth, and a touchpad built into the side of the frame allows you to change the volume and pause what you're listening to in real time. There are battery, sync, and overheat or error indicators inside of the glasses to let you know if there's a problem. Separately, there's a front white light next to the right camera that lights up when the glasses are recording. One charge will last about 6 hours with occasional use. It comes with a case and a built-in charger that will last for 3 charges. The case itself charges via USB-C, which is also included. The glasses look and weigh almost as much as a regular pair of Ray-Bans, and now the companies are considering creating a more advanced version of Ray-Ban Stories with augmented reality. Volkswagen and Argo AI unveiled a new ID Buzz drone capable of predicting the actions of pedestrians, cars, and bicycles. The car is equipped with 6 LiDARs, 11 radars, and 14 cameras, which allow it to detect obstacles at distances of up to 400 meters and monitor everything that is happening around it, as well as predicting the actions of pedestrians, cyclists, and cars around the vehicle. The companies hope to bring the development to public roads across Germany in 2025, with testing on Hamburg's road set to begin in the coming months. The Hyundai Motor Group plans to turn the robot Spot into a supervisor for workers on its production lines. Personal Spot will monitor safety and production on assembly lines, as well as acting as a security guard. The company is also considering other Boston Dynamics robots in the works, particularly the Stretch Robot Loader and the humanoid Atlas robot. Although the latter is still under development, the company is attracted by its greater maneuverability and mobility compared to the Spot robot. And authorities in Singapore have begun testing police robots. The Xavier robot is equipped with 360-degree cameras. They help him not only move around, avoid static and dynamic obstacles, but also take photos and videos even in low light and dark using additional infrared vision. For 3 weeks now, Xavier's been patrolling the Central District of Singapore and monitoring the observance of order. If violations are detected, the robot will report them to others and send a report to the Control and Monitoring Center. Subscribe to the channel, like this video, and don't miss the next episode from the World Robot Conference 2021.